Hello Mango, welcome back to the 21-day Autumn Activation Pilates Series. Day 6 introduces you to the 4 flexibility flow, a session designed to stretch, lengthen and release tension as leaves fall gracefully from trees. This 7-day series is a part of our full exclusive 21-day Pilates series for Mango Tribe. Become a Mango Crush member if you want to boost your performance to the next level. So if you're ready, just roll your mat. Let's do this together.
Hey love, you got your heart on your sleeve, but the shirt on your back's a bit small. Hey you, yeah, your colors are changing, the world ain't half bad after all.
Alright, let's start by sitting on your mat. Hands on the knees and feel free to bend the knees, open your legs if it feels easier for the hips and to lengthen the spine. Relax your shoulders, sit tall, abs in, take a deep inhalation through the nose and exhale deeply through your mouth. Inhale deeply and exhale deeply. You can bring your hands on your rib cage, inhale through the nose and exhale hide all your rib cage in. That's beautiful. Inhale and exhale deeply and just keep abs engaging, shoulders down and relaxed. Take a deep breath and exhale deeply. Rotate your shoulders fully to 4 directions. And reverse. Now lift your shoulders up and down and lift and down and up and down and 2 more times and lift and bring it all the way down. Cat and cow in sitting position. Round the spine, abs in and arch your back, open the chest, look to the front. Round the spine again and arch your back again. And 3 more times. Really try to make a whole circle when you round the spine and open the chest all the way, shoulders down when you arch your back. And last one, and come all the way back to sitting position. Rotate your head fully to 4 directions and then reverse. Inhale halfway and exhale halfway and rotate reverse. Come all the way back to the center. And last round. That's beautiful. Now bring your head to the right and to the left and to the right again and to the left and 3 more times each side and 2 to the left and last one and to the other side and back to the center. Now head down and turn your head to the right and turn your head to the left. Keep looking down to your legs and turn to the other side and 3 more times each side to the left and come back. Feel that neck is stretching and feels so good. Awesome. And last one to the other side and come all the way back to the center. Alright, let's rotate your head fully to 4 directions and then reverse. And we are going to do this for 3 more times. Inhale halfway and exhale halfway. And 2, around and up and reverse. Good. And last one. Lengthen your arms to the sides and try to reach your hands further to really lengthening that arms. Good. And start to reach your hand to the right and to the left, reaching your whole body to the side to feel the stretching even more. And to the left. And last one to the right. And last one to the left. And come back to the center. Allow yourself to sit along the mat. Your hands under the thighs. Open your chest and slide the heels close towards the hip to roll all the way down to the shoulder blades. We're going to start with your 100. So bend the knees in, round the spine, and lie all the way down on the mat. To the shoulder blades, your head still up, heels together, toes apart, and lengthen your arms, your legs to 45 degrees, and start to pump your arms. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5, and exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, and 4, and exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3 more, exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 more, and exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, and last one, and exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, and bend the knees all the way in. Bring your head down on the mat. Lengthen your legs all the way. Lengthen the arms along the mat. Lift your arms up for roll up. Chin the chest. Roll all the way, each vertebra at a time, up to sitting position. Come all the way back, each vertebra at a time. Hands over your head again. Now, inhale, arm up, roll up. Keep your back in C curve. And come back, each vertebra at a time on the mat. Heels together, toes apart. Or you can keep your legs opening if it's easier for you, but really listen to your back. And 2. Beautiful. Round the spine. Really bring that abs in. And last one. And come all the way down on the mat. That's beautiful. Lie all the way down, and if it's easier for you to bend the knees in order to keep your back in neutral position, then feel free to do that. Next movement, single leg circle. Your right leg all the way up, rotate in, around, and up. Make sure that your leg pass over the midline, around and up, in, around, and up. Good. And 7 more. 6. Awesome. In, around, and up. 5. Rotate the knee externally. And 4. Good. Over the midline, around, and up. 3. And make sure your opposite hip press down to the mat. And last one. Good. Now reverse around, in, and up. And 9 more times with your own breath. Press that opposite hips down. And 7. Abs in. 6. Press your opposite foot down on the mat. 5 and 4. Good. Around, across, and up. And 2 more. And last one. And scissor your leg to switch to the opposite side. Rotate the knee across, around, and up. And across, around, and up. Across, around, and up. And 7 more times to make it 10 and 6. That's beautiful. 5 more. And 4. Press your opposite shoulders down to the mat. 3 and 2. And last one. Rotate around and up. Reverse. Around, across, and up. And around, across, and up. And 8 more. You can see your whole body is not moving. Only your leg is circling and rotating here. That's beautiful. And 4. And 3 and 2 and last one. And bring your leg all the way down on the mat. Bend the knees in, your hands under the thighs to rock all the way up. Rolling like a ball, hands on the ankles, heels together, toes apart. Open the knees, shoulders apart. Round the spine and roll back to the shoulders and lift up. Rock down and rock up. Make sure the chin to the chest the whole time, so only rock down to the shoulders and down and up. And 4 more, rock down and rock up. And 3 more, rock down and rock up. That's beautiful. 2 more. Abs in, keep that C curve. Try to lift the hips off the mat and come all the way back and feet down on the mat. Lengthen your legs and roll all the way to lie down on your mat for single leg kick. Your right hand gonna be on the right ankle and your left hand on top of the knee. Pull and switch to the opposite side. And 8 more. To the left. Pull. 7. To the left. 6 to the right and to the left. And 5. Pull and pull. pull the knee towards the chest, and lengthen that opposite all the way, and 3 more each side, and 2 more, and last one, pull, and to the other side. Bend both knees in and head down on the mat. Awesome. Bring your head from left to right just to give a little stretch on the neck. Lengthen your legs all the way up to the ceiling. Both hands on one ankle and switch. Lengthen, pull, and switch, pull. Single straight leg stretch. Awesome. And pull, and to the other side. Pull, to the left and to the right. Stabilize that torso. And 5 more times each side. Soften the elbows and extend that leg all the way. That's beautiful. To the right and to the left. 2 more. Pull. To the left, to the right, and to the left. And bend both knees in, head down on the mat. Alright, head from left to right again. Roll all the way up to this sitting position for spine stretch forward. Awesome. Let's bend the knee and do it in the way that most of us gonna feel good. So lengthen the spine and round the spine, chin to chest. Roll all the way forward. Come back each vertebra at a time, shoulders down. If you feel like you can keep the spine to the C curve while lengthening your leg, feel free to keep your legs lengthening. Good. Now heels together, toes apart to make it even more challenging. Otherwise, just keep it open. Shoulders down, chest open. And round the spine, chin to chest. Move forward, bring the abs into the back to come back. Beautiful. Round and forward, and come back. And round forward, come back. Round and forward, and come back each vertebra at a time, shoulders down. And last one, forward, come back. And hands down. Open your legs wide. Open your arm to the side. Twist to the left, round the spine, reach to the opposite ankle, come all the way back, and then untwist, twist to the left, hands towards the opposite ankle, round the spine, each vertebra at a time to come back to center. Now round the spine again, move forward, and come all the way back to the left, twist and round, abs all the way towards the back, and come back untwist to the center. And 3 more times each side. Reach and come all the way back and untwist to the left, twist, round, and come all the way back and reach again to the other side and come back each vertebra at a time. So when you reach forward, try to open that upper shoulders a little bit more to really feel that stretch, and then come back to the center. Beautiful. Heels together, toes apart, roll all the way down on the mat. Bend the knees in, heels together, toes apart. Point your feet, lengthen your legs to 45 degrees, just flexing the toes and point and flex and point and flex. So your abs are still working because you keep your legs out to 45 degrees and point and flex and point and flex. And 3, 2, and last one, and come all the way back and bend the knees and flip over on your belly, so that way we can do some neck rolls. Hands next to your chest, shoulders far away from the ears, abs all the way in, and close the elbows, lift your torso up, press your hands down, abs all the way back, squeeze that glute. Now rotate your neck to the right, to the left, and circle to the left, to the right, back to the center. And again, circle around, come back, circle to the left, around, to the right, and back to the center. Lower your torso. Just do one more time here. With 1 time, circle around, come back, and circle around, bring it back, and lower your torso again. Beautiful. And come back to rest pose. Round the spine, open the knees, and abs all the way in. Reach your hands forward. Whenever you're ready, lie all the way down on your belly. Amazing. Good. Let's start for single leg kick. Make a fist in front of your chest, heels together, toes apart, squeeze that glute, kick to the right, kick to the left, and kick, and kick, bend the knees in, abs all the way in, kick, squeeze that glute, and to the other side, kick, and kick. Now let's make it harder on this one by lifting your thigh off the mat when you kick and lengthen to the other side. Good. Kick, and kick, knee off, kick, and knee off, kick. Awesome. Kick, and kick. Lengthen your legs all the way, torso down on the mat. Double leg kicks. Stack your hands behind your back. Kick 3 times with your legs, and then use your hand to pull your torso up. Rotate your head to the left. Bend the elbow. Lay down. Kick with the legs, and lengthen the legs. Pull your torso up, open the chest, and rotate your head to the other side again. Reach up, rest your head on the other side, kick, and reach up, and rotate the head to the right, lay down, kick. Lengthen all the way, rotate the head to the left, and down, kick. Good, and reach, open, and down, kick, and reach, open, and down, kick. Think about lengthening but not lifting up high, so really lengthen your body. Lengthen the neck here. Beautiful. Squeeze that glute and abs in. That's great. And 2 more. And reach all the way. Rotate your head to the other side. And last one, lengthen all the way up. And allow yourself to come to rest pose. Again, this is an active rest. So C-curve, abs in. And reach your hands forward. And whenever you're ready, we are going to come back and sit. Lengthen your arms to the sides. Reach your hands further to really lengthening the arms. Good. And start to reach your hand to the right and to the left, reaching your whole body to the side to feel the stretching even more. And to the left. And last one to the right. And last one to the left. And come back to the center. Awesome. Rotate your shoulders fully to 4 directions. And reverse. Cat and cow in sitting position. Roll the spine, abs in, and arch your back. Open the chest, look to the front. Roll the spine again and arch your back again. And 3 more times. Really try to make a whole circle when you roll the spine and open the chest all the way, shoulders down when you arch your back. And last one. And come all the way back. Inhale deeply. And exhale deeply. We just complete the workout today. I'm so happy that we did it together. And so much love to you. Remember to stay hydrated. I'm going to see you tomorrow for the next day. Bye bye.